Is invoicing the U.S. government a labor-intensive, time-consuming task for your company? Introducing the LDC electronic WAWF system. This system eliminates the manual process of typing in and submitting invoices for your products and services to the Department of Defense WAWF website to significantly increase invoicing efficiency and capacity. The LDC electronic WAWF system starts with the importation of downloaded invoices from your payroll or billing system in the form of either an Excel or CSV file. Once the invoice information is loaded into the LDC electronic WAWF system, the information is ready for your review. The first tab is used to load timesheet data from spreadsheets and convert it into the Department of Defense specified format required to automate the WAWF billing process. It also displays the calculated totals for individual invoices and CLIN-based service billings. This tab provides a detailed breakdown of invoice headers for each invoice included in the billing batch. It also allows users to attach supporting documents, such as timesheets, to individual invoices. This tab displays the individual line items for each invoice, as extracted from the raw data provided in the loaded Excel spreadsheet. This tab displays all supporting files attached to each invoice and prepares them for upload to the WAWF website. This tab records the specific actions performed within each imported spreadsheet file, providing an audit history of billing activity associated with each spreadsheet. This tab allows users to configure and manage contact information for the prime contractor and do DAAC contacts involved in the billing process. This tab allows users to configure and manage contract-specific lookup data required for the Department of Defense invoicing process. This tab displays the valid task order codes available for use in the invoicing process. This tab displays the raw data imported from Excel spreadsheets for invoices to be processed and billed. This tab displays the relevant data extracted from Excel spreadsheets prior to formatting for upload to the Department of Defense WAWF system. Once the user reviews and selects the payroll batch to be uploaded, selecting the Transmit button will generate a properly configured FTP file ready for uploading to the PIE/WAWF website. As this process takes place, the software will automatically log onto the PIE/WAWF website. The last step is to copy the FTP files and attachments to the Department of Defense WAWF website, which completes the invoice submission process. The LDC electronic WAWF system delivers the following quantifiable benefits and expected results. This includes significant time savings by eliminating the manual data entry associated with the WAWF website entry, which frees personnel for higher value activities. This also removes human data entry errors and ensures consistent formatting and compliance with WAWF requirements. Faster invoice processing reduces submission time from hours to minutes while accelerating billing cycles and improving cash flow. This also results in reduced administrative overhead that minimizes the need for manual verification and corrections. This streamlines exception handling for rejected transactions. The LDC electronic WAWF system delivers enhanced compliance and reliability that ensures accurate and standardized submissions to the Department of Defense systems. The resulting improved employee productivity allows staff to focus on strategic and operational tasks rather than repetitive data entry. Donald L. Mooney contracted with Logic Design Corporation to help streamline their payroll process by automating the labor-intensive tasks associated with submitting weekly payroll invoices to the Department of Defense WAWF website. This started by devising system to electronically prepare a government-formatted FTP file from downloaded weekly transactions from the Mooney payroll system and imported into the LDC electronic WAWF system. The result has helped Donald L. Mooney transform its invoicing operations to include achieved measurable operational efficiency gains, reduced risk associated with manual errors, improved responsiveness in government billing cycles, enhanced overall workflow reliability. Donald L. Mooney now benefits from a modernized, automated invoicing pipeline aligned with best practices in government contracting. Founded in 1983, Logic Design Corporation is a software development and technology integration company that specializes in software solutions that help companies automate labor-intensive workflow tasks. To schedule a demonstration and receive software pricing, and learn how the LDC electronic WAWF system can help your company increase invoice efficiency with the Department of Defense, please visit www.ldcglobal.com.